Hello and welcome to a new video. Hope you all are doing good. तो सुबह as per yesterday's plan, since there was this closing above my SL 23,150, so I thought of not exiting puts yesterday. तो वो आज किया सुबह at open. So let's say इधर ही हुआ है exit at open प्राइस पे डाल दिया, थोड़ा बेटर प्राइस मिला इधर से, मतलब एग्जिट हो चुका है. I'll just keep it here. कुछ मिला नहीं एट कॉस्ट, बट मतलब एट कॉस्ट जैसा तो नहीं था क्योंकि दिस थिंग वेंट -3. तो आई गेस दिस हैड 8,200 क्वांटिटी इन दिस अकाउंट एंड आई लॉस्ट वेयर इज द ड्राफ्ट पोर्टफोलियो, लॉस्ट 64, realized 64 मतलब 6 about 65 in this account. So technically puts went nowhere. Right here I exited and I lost about this much because of the decay. This happens in derivatives, you can't help it. Same thing, same fluctuation could have happened in futures also. So it is part of the game. The time value premium decayed, baki futures must have increased also since I bought it. Anything could have happened, so this is a part of the game. But then I went long right here. I went long, though I should have waited for one more candle. I should have gone long here, but I went here one candle before that. And now holding, let's see. The SL comes out to be here. So I'll be holding till if this doesn't break, or maybe higher. Actually I want to keep it here, I guess no, this is fine. So sorry. So this is what I had thought about, but I want to increase it. Maybe I'll just go for open or close by afternoon, but I guess this is also fine. If there is no fall, there is nothing to watch out. If there is a fall, we'll figure it out. So maybe most probably holding it for tomorrow if this keeps on going sideways. That's it, that's the plan. I have got full quantity calls here, all 10,000 in this account, so it will be good. Want to recover the FI's loss. Let's see if we can make it by March end, before March end. Okay, I didn't open the studio. Okay, I think there will be lots of decay. There will be time value premium that will lose. Then there is this futures which has still like 50 rupees premium which will be lost in this 7 days. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Matlab, we cannot do anything. We can sell an OTM call maybe to get some benefit of the decay, but that would also limit the profit. Look at this, the content, and if you can check this thing, biggest single loss in a day, 5,559 views, 5k plus views. And surprisingly, this is the biggest loss day, and 30th December was the highest viewed video, biggest loss in a day, on 30th December. And the next biggest loss broke that record. Now since there was no much ado here, so we have no good views in this, but let's see. The biggest loss will get us something. That means we will get more engagement during losses, so I'm fine with it. It's okay, buddy. Yes, thank you so much for your kind words. I mean, you really understood what I'm doing, so I guess you can relate. Thank you, glad you like them. Yeah, this is what my idea is, to be like honest and real on social media. I don't want to show anything else. Like, even if there are losses, I would love to show them. This is the risk we take when we are buying naked options, so I would love to show them. Yup, thank you. Yes, I read this comment. Thank you. I mean, you understand the strategy very well. I mean, it shouldn't be going around with, I mean, if someone is saying that my strategy is not working, if someone is saying my strategy is not working, he is also saying that Nifty 50 will never trend. It will never move in a single side. it will never trend. We just keep on doing this. If you think Nifty 50 will keep on doing this exactly this screen is doing, not that this one. If you think this will keep on going on forever, so I guess you are wrong, because I think there will be a trend. Of course, there will be a 400 points trend or a 500 point. At least something will come out of this consolidation. Look at this consolidation. If you say I can keep on losing, I will keep on losing. You are saying that this market will keep on going. So I can still bear such losses. That is not an issue. So, but you should also accept that there will be a trend. Thank you. Alright, thank you, man. I guess all the support makes me feel so good. Thank you so much. I don't think there are much questions today. There's all love today. I think every support is a big support. So if 23,000 is a support, and as we can see, there is a recovery from that. So this is what I accepted after I saw it in my plan, that there is a new high. The closing is above a new high. That is why I exited. So I think if it was at 27,000, if it is taking support, what I do is, since my strategy is positional, I would keep on holding my puts, and if it breaks, good enough for me. If it doesn't break, I will wait to see what happens next. If is it recovering very fast from there, if it is it breaking the previous high, so it did. That's why I shifted from puts to calls. So I wait to see. So when I am short, I don't look at supports. When I am long, I don't look at resistance. I only check supports. કેટલા percentage બને તો business સારો કહેવાય? Anything is fine. So someone who is selling and is making 30 to 50%, he loves it. Or he's meaning to ask in Gujarati कि कितने percentage per year business हो तो वो अच्छा कहलाता है. तो that way बनता है, मतलब कुछ भी, मतलब 30-40% plus is I guess good ना. मतलब option buyer तो, since it is high risk high reward, we cannot say in the start of the year कि how much percentage he is going to make, but we can only hope कि 100% plus हो जाए option buying में. Since you are taking that risk, तो make a strategy around it कि since it is a high risk high reward, so if there is high risk, there will be high drawdowns. So if you are going to मतलब आप सहने वाले हो ड्रॉडाउन को, तो आपको प्रॉफिट भी अच्छा खासा मिलना चाहिए. तो ऐसी ही स्ट्रेटजी होनी चाहिए. आई हैव नो आइडिया मैन. आई डोंट चेक आउट विक्स का चार्ट, बट आई जस्ट चेक कि क्या हालचाल, बस. तो इसमें कुछ नहीं देख सकते. विक्स तो जस्ट चिलैक्स करो, उसको देखो. थैंक यू. बाय ऑन अ वीकली एक्सपायरी मैक्सिमम. Okay, I didn't quite, मतलब we can punch as many quantities as you want. One order will place only 1800 quantity, and you can infuse, मतलब we can infuse any capital, any amount of capital. There is no limit. I didn't quite understand your question actually. I guess super trend change the values, keep a good time frame, and I think that should be good. Super trend can also be back tested here. Indicators, you can super trend strategy, just use this, then you can just check the results here. You can change your value. Or if I check the ATR length, as is it increasing? See, it's increasing. Okay, so 14 is fine with here. What if I do this? It is decreasing. Whatever, like you need to, you can't check it like this, adding one doing one here. But see, whatever, like this is a good figure. You should I guess check it on this thing. You have to do the deep back testing if you have the premium version, so you can check it this way. This is a good probability. I think this is a good one. Drawdown is, oh my god, drawdown. Why is the drawdown so high? Yeah, just do this. Do order size one contract, so it will show you point wise. So this is not a good back test. This is not right one. The drawdown is way more. So let's just a quick. I want to know to super trend what works best on super trend 15 minutes. Nothing works on super trend, I guess. Figure it out, I guess, because this thing, like, this is not the good back test. This is, I don't like it. Whatever amount of time it is not a good back test. 2024, maybe it didn't work. Super trend didn't work in the last 8 months. But yeah, change the criteria, change everything, and you will surely find something. Cannot move alone. Okay. Capital currently, what would I be using? Max loss 56.13. That is what I'm using right now. I am guessing that is right, and it is not counting this position. Okay, let's do something. It is 53.03. This is the capital being used right now. This is the unused capital which I can withdraw, but I keep it. I don't know why I keep it. I don't need it. I'll just withdraw it by the day end, because puts are going to be cheap, and yeah, I'll need it. Actually, I'll need it for to buy February options soon now, in 2 to 3 days. In this week, if I have to buy puts, I'll be buying February puts, so maybe the premiums will be higher, so I'll keep that buffer amount, buffer funds. Tax, I divide it among my family members. So there are 6 accounts which I have, in which I trade. 3 are HUF, 3 are the family members, and that's how I divide. So I try to keep less than 15 lakhs in each account, in the 6 of them. And I guess I was about to increase. One was about to go in 30% slab. I would have done that, but it stopped. I went into a drawdown. So I guess that's it. I guess 15 in each account is fine with me. So target is 90 lakhs to 1 CR this year, so that should be good to go. Yep, thank you. I didn't catch, actually. I could have caught double 2000 points if I traded in elections. So maybe I was busy making the virtual positions, and market watch में रख के I was just checking it out, but कुछ trade नहीं किया, so I wouldn't say I have captured it. But November was good. November, there was this 500 points, 500 points. That way, there was a good trend both sides. So Nifty was right there, but I got to capture fall and rise both. So that way I earned that much in November. Baki June was the best time to make money throughout. It would have given you 6 months money at once. So let's see. 1000 point is like the maximum. My strategy could have captured 1000 to 1200 in Nifty 50 cash. So I think I could get only 800 points maybe in options, and that is what I dream of. That is the maximum thing. That doesn't come in every trend. I think there could be 1003 to 4 1000ish points wale trend in a year. There could be in a year. Baki, there could be small trends, 10 number of small trends. It would give the same result. So it doesn't matter कि we get the 1000 point at once or not. आ गया एड्स. यस, पैसा शुरू कर दो अभी भेजना. मैं इसमें चेक करता हूँ अभी. ओके, आई एम ऑल्सो इन सी नाउ ब्रो. मेरा ड्रॉडाउन इससे भी लंबा चलेगा ब्रो. 3 महीने तक चल सकता है. यू हैव नो आइडिया भाई. रहेगी भाई काउंटीज को बहुत कम कर दो. मैं बैक टेस्ट कर चुका. माई दिस इज़ फाइन. दिस इज़ इंक्लूडेड इन द बैक टेस्ट. दिस ड्रॉडाउन कुड लास्ट लॉन्गर. दिस ड्रॉडाउन कुड डबल. मैं अगर बोलता हूँ 1000 पॉइंट का मैं ड्रॉडाउन गिनता हूँ, तो मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बोलता. वो सच में मैं गिन चुका हूँ ये सब. नहीं, सिनेरियो डजंट चेंज. बैक टेस्टेड रिजल्ट वो 15-16 साल का था. वो बिग बुल बेयर सब आ चुका उसमें. कोविड आ चुका, सब आ चुका उसमें भाई. आई एम ऑल्सो, यस, आई एम फ्रॉम राजकोट. श्योरली विल मीट समडे. ओके. क्वांटिटी नहीं नहीं, अभी जस्ट लॉस लिया है ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में, तो प्रॉफिट थोड़ी कम क्वांटिटी में लेंगे, फुल क्वांटिटी में ही प्रॉफिट लेंगे अब. इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी गुड. सो बेसिकली ना, मैं ये नीचे आया ना, तब ये ओपन पे ही निकल गया. आई कुड हैव गॉट अ बेटर प्राइस, बट मैं ओपन पे निकल गया, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो फाइन, बेटर मतलब. आई थिंक ना, इफ़ यू चेक हियर पोजिशंस, what happened was, oh, this thing. सो पुट्स में हाउ कैन यू, मतलब मोबाइल में तो देखा था यार मैंने. इन्फो, ओ यस सॉरी. दिस इज़ हाउ मच आई सेव्ड बाय नॉट एग्जिटिंग टुमारो एंड एग्जिटिंग एट द मॉर्निंग. जो कल का जो मतलब क्लोजिंग था, उससे मैंने इतना आज बचा लिया, 2.35. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इन दिस ऑल्सो समथिंग, जो दूसरे अकाउंट में 1800 थे, बट वॉट एवर दैट वॉज, बचा तो लिया. मतलब कल एग्जिट ना करके आज सुबह किया. ग्रेट. No, I deliberately increased the drawdown because I wanted to increase the quantity, and this is the target quantity for now. This was my target quantity for now. This is where I reached. So now I'll just hold on to this quantity. This is not an issue though. Even if there is an increase in drawdown, that's fine. This strategy, long term, this strategy works in long term. What you are seeing is a result of not even a month. So I guess you need to backtest something, and you need to figure out, because I have worked on this strategy. I am still in net profits while working on this strategy. So backtested results do apply the way, matlab, exactly if you follow the plan, it happens that way only. Like uh, my backtest and how I'm executing the positions go hand in hand. Matlab, there is no mistakes done by me that my backtest would differ. Obviously, backtested results can't be repeated. Matlab, what points I got into 2024, I would might not get in 2025. But the rules set up has to be followed. Okay, I guess maybe I'm still at 100% returns maybe after the losses. So um, and 100 and 150% is not is no joke to make. It is literally a single position joke to make. Watch out, matlab. Just wait for a rally or maybe a big fall. 100% is like literally. What is the price of these options? Do you think this can't go 100%, 400, 500 point movement? You are saying Nifty cannot make a 400, 500 point movement. What are you telling me? Nope. Uh, I don't even buy options in Bank Nifty. You're telling me to sell options. It wouldn't work. Trend following doesn't work in selling, because you can't get the max profit. You are limited to the profit potential of the sold option. Thank you. Surely we'll meet. ओके, हिंदी में करते हैं. आई गेस या, whatever man, matlab, whatever I'm gambling, whatever you say I'm gambling is gambling from my own profits. Yes, I did add some funds of my own, but which is fine. Matlab, that is the backup. That backup is the confidence for sure, but my profit is the major confidence here. I guess this is fine, man. Matlab, he's telling in Gujarati to leave YouTube and concentrate on trading, but it's fine, buddy. It's fine. I know what I signed up for, and it's fine. So thank you all. Obviously, people who don't understand the strategy will be saying what they are saying, and people who understand the strategy are loving it. And you need to see that I don't take random trades. I just trade based on my rules. So whatever my rules, I mean, at this point, I could just tell you that this is an algo. Algo is making the trades. Then you would not be questioning me, right? Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? An algo is doing it, and I will tell you that the algo is getting like 3,000 points in options, and throughout the year. So an average would be 250 points a month. It will get it. Obviously, not every month there will be 250, but chalo, every 3 months it gets you the 700 points, something at least it will get you. So if I told you that there is an algo, it would be all fine, and you might be questioning the algo maybe, but I don't know, man. This is a strategy which I'm following, and this is how it should be. I think this is high risk, high reward. And what I find is that this has been the best strategy, and definitely I'm going to keep on following it. Still net profitable. I think it could also go, but I know how much it gives back. So that's that for the day, and thank you for watching. See you later. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.